See?
Oh, that's a pretty picture. It is fake. Oh, Ollie's little face. Oh, so pretty. Got a big old head. Kind of looks like a giant baby. Just thinking about how I'm gonna have to push that head.
They don't look like Xander. His face is weird.
Okay, we're gonna, after we leave here, we're going over to the mall. Yeah, she'll call me whenever you
Oh.
because we're gonna try to have his name put on. He's coming
So
home.
weird.
Beautiful. Look how beautiful. That tiger is coming.
Little lip snake in there.
What's his face look like?
I don't know. Kind of like a baby, huh?
I know he
Like a little smushy face, huh?
Don't blame me for poking you. Let's say I poke you too much. I don't hurt them. I do it all the time. Shake them up, everything.
He looks like a monkey.
He looks like a monkey. That's because he looks kind of like his daddy.
Probably right.
Yeah.
Puppy don't act like a monkey, huh?
Sure he'll go through it.
When we find his daddy, we'll tell him.
Yeah.
We're going to go on Lori's home and she's going to find his daddy.
You have to search hard.
Yeah, I know, we're going to do that.
That is good.
You got
Test like 10 miles.
It's a magnet. It can make the fog.
Oh, cool.
It can make the fog.
And this is the frog.
His voice just right there.
Is that his boyfriend?
Get it the other way. Gotta sneak away.
He's been shy today.
Well, you just don't have no room left. I'm being shy. I didn't fill up my bladder this time. Oh, well, I don't need the bladder full anymore. You got on to me last time about pulling it
Like
up.
you all
Oh, you had it too full last time, didn't you? Yeah.
Like you all did this to me.
I don't know where he got. I think he got that at Cons, as a matter of fact. Oh, come on, boy. Little toes sitting that right there. Oh. My phone trying to get a good picture of got some hair. Hair right here, this white stuff right there. I felt all that coming in. You just don't want to move that little hand right there sticking out the window.
Yeah, if he had his choice, he'd probably cover his whole face like he did last time, but he ain't got no room to now.
You're so shy. Yeah.
So he's almost 6 pounds, huh?
He'll be 8 before he's done.
It's like a monkey again.
Sticking out around that hand.
That's a finger.
The finger. Well, don't they have fingers on their hands? Hope you don't have fingers on his toes. On his feet. That'd be bad, huh?
Like my name Rain.
Cody.
Oh, that's so pretty.
She's busy.